It is Sunday again, and so we came to another agriturismo, and they have a lot of sheep in this one. We are in Butrio. There's a little baby one there. The baby. Here is the agriturismo. This is the view from the tables. It's really nice. Really typical, huh? And there's some roses and wine fields there. Wine fields? I don't know what to call them. Grapevine fields for wine. And then, there they are. So this is the agriturismo. Ciao. Hi. Kind of an Italian girl in the Italian countryside. But actually, the view here is really gorgeous. The agriturismo is really cute and pretty. And yeah, so it's just a normal Sunday for me. But the weather is still nice. It's October, yeah, but the weather, it's like mid-October now? Yeah, and the weather is still, in the afternoons it's nice. Otherwise it's not that nice. At night it's colder. It's really nice here. This is the other side. Ta-da!
This is for the love. Welcome in Italy. A good prosecco with the hills, you know.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao. So now it's difficult. I have like one hand and I'm trying to film. So Enrico's running away from the bees. There was a bee. And I'm getting another prosecco, and this is a tiramisu. Finally, you see the tiramisu.
No, devi riuscire adesso a fare
Che cos'è? Oh, the bee went in the wine.
Butta via, non bevo. Butta via nel prato.
No, the bee went in the wine.
Lancia. Peccato tardi. Bastardo.
Questo è taglio di ada. Sì.
Ti ho salvato un goccio.
Una ghioccia per Ada. Oh mamma mia, non vuoi una ghioccia di questi? La Vespa è andato dentro.
Grazie.
I got my prosecco now. And I'm going to eat this tiramisu. Tiramisu, I ate the cream. The cream is the best part of the tiramisu. Because it's mascarpone cream.
Papà, ma non sei mica in chiesa, cazzo.
Ma va bene, Gio, can.
Look what he did now. Because he's afraid of something going in his wine. He's like, no, that's my wine. Sì, prova. È buono.
Cazzo, mi sa che è buono.
È buono questo. Ada, tu prova anche.
Cazzo, è buonissimo questo.
Buonissimo. Very, very good this one.
Questo è buono, maestro?
Sì? Insomma, dopo non arriviamo più soldi.
Quanto ne hai?
Anche Ada, also Ada, she likes sweets, has a big sweet tooth. The Prosecco is really good. It's very clear. It seems kind of white, no? But Prosecco is an Italian sparkling white wine. Yeah, I like Prosecco. It's good. Niente.
Come al solito.
That's made her. The sun went a bit down. No, actually, it's quite sunny still. Okay, so I really like Sundays. This is the other side of the agriturismo. Is, you know, a slow food kind of farm place where they make food from scratch, and you drink wine, and they have the winery here, and that's what is called an agriturismo. I'm not really sure how to explain it. I'm not good at explaining it, but I think you get the idea. And look at these daffodils. So yeah, I like Sundays because, you know, we go out, we have wine, we see, you know, the countryside, go to agriturismos. We have good prosciutto, and it's nice. Well, it's fun, you know. I like to hang around. I like to go out with my suocero, his father-in-law, suocera, mother-in-law, and my husband. And now, actually, Enrico works on Sunday, so he has to go to work. So, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. I've got this little cat here who wants to play. And this is what she does. Hey, what happened? What happened? No. Hey. Freyja's sniffing around over there.